Hi, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
How are you today?
I'm fine.
Please tell me about your work experience.
I have a lot of experience. Sales girl, receptionist, office girl, waitress, as a midwife in Philippines.
Okay, so can you tell me what were your duties and responsibilities being a midwife?
I take good care of pregnant women and children and newborn babies.
How many years did you work?
In 5 years,
And why you decided not to renew your contract?
there is no money in the Philippines. That's why it's very cheap salary.
Okay. And how much salary are you looking for?
1,500 dirhams.
Oh.
Above.
So what is your favorite task? It is cooking, cleaning, or babysitting?
All of the above.
What type of food can you cook?
Filipino because if ever I will do my best to cook
Okay.
the other.
How do you know if the baby is sick?
Just put a thermometer.
And if the employer is not in the house and the child got sick, what is the first thing that you would do?
Just call to my employer.
Okay, do you consider yourself lucky and why?
Yes, I am lucky.
Why?
Because there's a lot of person that do love me.
Okay. And what are your hobbies?
My hobby is singing.
What is your favorite song?
My favorite song is love song.
Okay. How long do you want to work here in UAE for? How many years you want to work?
As long as I have an employer.
Okay. And do you think you would be a good full-time housemate to your new employer?
Yes.
Why?
Because I am good also.
Thank you. Nice talking with you and have a good day.